Hi, Thibaut.
Hi, Joanna.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, thank you. And you?
Thank you. Everything is absolutely fine. We are safe in our studio and we are very happy to have you here also. Are you ready for the presentation?
I'm ready to go.
Let's start.
Thank you. So, hi everyone, and first of all, thank you very much to the Autoglass team and all their partners for making this webinar possible. My name is Thibaut Cardinal. I'm the commercial manager of JAC, a new business entity of AGC Automotive Europe. We are located, JAC, in Belgium. AGC Automotive is one of the worldwide leading supplier of glass solutions for OEMs and aftermarket companies. In the world, 1 car out of 4 is equipped with AGC glazing. And JAC, a connected service developed by AGC Automotive, provides fleets with glass breakage detection solution, which is key for proactive windshield maintenance and repair ratio improvement. Eddie Irvine from Belron started raising your awareness about the increasing complexity and cost of windshield maintenance for fleets, explaining why repair is the best way to reduce your claim cost. My bold objective for the next couple of minutes is to give you some clue on how to manage it and how to maximize the repair ratio of your windshields. But first, let me share with you some facts about ADAS and windshield calibration. The first question that I want to address with you is why fleet managers should care about windshield maintenance. You should care because of ADAS, which makes vehicles more complex and costly to maintain. ADAS stands for Advanced Driving Assistance Systems. To make it simple, these are the electronic systems based on sensors and cameras which assist drivers in driving and parking functions. These systems improve the driver's safety and comfort. ADAS technologies are located a bit everywhere around the vehicle, in the bumper, in the tires, but also behind the glass. One very widespread example is the forward-facing camera that is mounted behind the top of the windshield, which is used for emergency braking and lane keeping. ADAS systems are rapidly growing and rapidly becoming standard on new model of vehicles. The expected penetration rate of basic ADAS systems like emergency braking or lane assist is above 25% in 2025 for all registered vehicles. The European Parliament has also adopted in 2019 a regulation that will make gradually ADAS mandatory on all new vehicles. For example, emergency braking will be mandatory on all new models from June 2022 onwards. And other systems like speed assistance will follow the same path. These ADAS systems have two impacts on your windshields. First, it requires a more complex windshield with tight optical tolerance. And second, it requires a sensor calibration after a windshield replacement. If the position of the camera is not perfect, or if it is moved during a windshield replacement, it will lead to an incorrect function of the ADAS system. The calibration process after a replacement of a windshield is thus very, very important. But this windshield complexity and this need for a recalibration both induce increasing maintenance cost for you, fleet managers. Replacing a windshield becomes more and more expensive. An independent study from KTI in Germany, conducted on several car models and several ADAS types, shows, based on cameras, LiDARs, and head-up display, that ADAS result in an increase of claim cost for windshield replacement between 30 and 250%. Another well-known organization, Tatcham Research, evaluates that the average windshield replacement bill has risen by 32% over the last 3 years. And this figure is likely to be higher for most of the fleets because you renew your vehicles more frequently. So, Eddie was right in his first presentation of this morning. Glass maintenance cost is increasing due to ADAS systems and recalibration process. In this context, it's key for you to repair windshields in order to eliminate glass replacement and calibration needs, and so to reduce your claim cost. In the next few slides, I will explain you how connected telematics can help you maximizing your windshield repair ratio, meaning how you can reduce as its minimum the number of windshields you replace. So, what can you do to curb that growing cost of glass maintenance? As in many other industrial examples, preventive maintenance is key. You have to repair windshields while damages are still limited in order to avoid replacements which are time and money consuming. The potential is actually bigger than what you might think. 60% of windshield replacement could be avoided by timely repair. But tools are needed to unlock that preventive maintenance and to unlock that potential of cost reduction. Glass breakage detection telematics is one of these tools. At AGC Automotive Europe, we have developed Jack, the first solution to address this problem of rising windshield maintenance cost. Jack is the first aftermarket connected service designed to detect, diagnose, and notify in real time all glass damages of any vehicle in your fleet. Jack is a game changer regarding the way you will manage your glass maintenance. With the real-time notification of the breakages on the windshield of your fleet, you can quickly and proactively schedule the repair of the windshield and avoid a replacement, which can drastically reduce your glass maintenance, even up to 50%. Jack will let you save money. Jack is already today in the hands of some key fleet managers and glass fitting networks in Europe. And Jack works very simply. The first step, an autonomous device is retrofitted on the windshield of the vehicle. Installation is done in less than 30 seconds by anybody. No wiring to the car battery. Therefore, no professional installation needed. Even the driver of the vehicle can do it by himself. This device is equipped with sensors that will detect all the impacts occurring on the windshield of the vehicle. Then, second step, once an impact is detected, the sensor signal is automatically communicated to a server, where machine learning will process the signal to qualify the impact severity and the impact location. If the impact is confirmed to be braking, and it can be a small crack or a large crack, a notification will be automatically and directly sent to the fleet manager. This notification can also be sent to the driver by email or via the Jack mobile application, which is available on iOS and Android. And it can even be sent to your glass fitting network. It means that you have all the tools you need to schedule quickly the windshield repair and to schedule it preventively. And this will allow you to avoid the replacement of that windshield later in time when the crack becomes larger. You understand now why Jack is an enabler to boost your repair ratio and to boost the number of windshield you can repair against replacement. With Jack, you can start saving money on your glass maintenance as from today. The main advantage of Jack is, of course, to drastically improve the repair ratio of your windshields, and so to allow you to reduce your cost. But the benefits of Jack go beyond this repair ratio optimization. With Jack, you can also increase the uptime of your fleet, because repairing a windshield is much faster than replacing a windshield. But with Jack, you can also reduce your carbon footprint. Repairing a windshield emits less CO2 than replacing a windshield. And you can also improve the driver safety with windshields always in perfect conditions. But that's not all. For example, you can also increase your damages recovery rate by knowing precisely when the breakage occurred. These are only a few examples of all the benefits that you can enjoy thanks to Jack. This brings me to the end of my presentation. As a summary, the key takeaways I would like to remind you are the following. Windshield replacement is getting more and more complex and costly due to ADAS systems. Preventive maintenance is key. 60% of windshield replacement could be prevented. Glass breakage detection telematics can unlock that potential of cost reduction. And Jack is the first service to provide a solution for this problem of rising windshield maintenance cost. It is already in the hands of major fleet managers and fitters in Europe. Together with Autoglass, we will be pleased to assess your glass maintenance cost, to evaluate the savings you can make with Jack, and to validate them on your fleet with a test of the Jack solution. So don't hesitate to contact us. And I will, of course, be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Thibaut, for your presentation. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Thank you, Joanna.
Szanowni Państwo, to był Thibaut Cardinal.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Thibaut Cardinal from AGC, who described a device for us that can monitor 24 hours a day of what's happening with our windshield. And if something wrong happens, if we are notified by Jack, then we may start the repair. So I think that we should stop talking and start doing something. We have to show you the repair in practice. But for now, I would like to invite you to a short break. And then we are going to go to a garage to see the glass repair.